good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is where you are. I am so happy because God is so good. He's been so good to me, and I'm sure He's been good to you too. Look, people, it's Rick Reed here. Welcome to the Cash Cow program, people. The Cash Cow program. What the Cash Cow program is the program that I created. It's a series of money making flyers. I'm going to show you how you can flood your mailbox with $100 to $11,000 a day, 100 to 11,000 a week, or monthly. People, you can seriously make at least $60,000 or $70,000 this year if you follow my lead. All you do is mail flyers. We're talking about direct mail marketing, getting $100 bills and 5 books of stamps in your mailbox. Okay? Are you looking for a simple way to generate some extra income? If so, then join Cash Cow Flyer program and start making money from home. No experience necessary. You don't even have to have a computer. Okay? This is simple. All you do is start receiving unlimited cash money in your mailbox daily, weekly, or monthly with the Cash Cow flyer. Now, what I'm about to show you is the newest flyer in my system now. Right here, the Red Bull 3000. Bam, there it is. And what I'm talking about is you making $3,000 cash and 5 books of stamps on a residual basis. That's $3,000 and 5 books of stamps residually with this flyer. And I'm gonna show you how. This is only cash offer and it's sent FedEx overnight. Okay, when someone starts with you, when you send your flyer out, what they're going to send to you when they get started is $3,000 and 5 books of stamps, people. Okay, now what I'm going to send to you is 3,000 hot buyer leads on peel and stick label to send this to. Send your flyer to. Okay, all the support you need, you just pick the phone up, give me a call, 832-906-6411. That's 832-906-6411. You can go to a website, cashcowprogram.com. That's cashcowprogram.com. Okay, you can see all the flyers that we have there. This one hasn't been loaded up yet because I just did it today. All right, but go to cashcowprogram.com. All right, now the other thing is that in the marketing kit, okay, the newest thing that I have in there is the source where you can have 100,000 two sides of your flyer. Can you imagine this? This flyer and something else that you're doing, someone else, or one of the other Cash Cow flyers on the other side, 100,000 only going to cost you $155. You don't have to pay for the lead. You don't have to pay for the stamp. That's the system that we have and that we worked out. Okay, but we do have other systems in the marketing kit, like where I get my stamps from 25 cents to 35 cents, so to 39 cents. Okay, depending on how many you get. All right, now also the source to where you get 500 to 5,000 of your letters stuffed in envelopes mailed to you with a picture of the Cash Cow on the outside and a statement. One of the statements that I wrote on the envelopes is, are you tired of being broke? Well, do something about it. The Cash Cow flyer programs can put money in your pocket within 7 to 10 business days. That's the average response time that we're getting, 7 to 10 business days. You think that'll get it open up? Okay, instead of just a regular plain boring envelope. No, people, we want the people that get your flyer to participate in their own rescue. Okay, now the other thing I'm going to give you is $1,000 in restaurants and fast food restaurant coupon certificate. Again, 5 $1,000 restaurants and fast food restaurant coupon certificates of your choice. Look, people, TGI Fridays, Chili's, Red Lobster, Sizzler, Applebee's, IHOP, Denny's, Quiznos, Planet Hollywood, Burger King, Taco Bell, KFC, McDonald. Look, people, you can sell these for $30, $40 to groups. One of the dealerships is running a commercial, okay, offering $1,000 in fast food restaurants. Also, you get $5,000 in grocery coupon certificates. And they're offering $1,000 in groceries when they come in and test drive a car. You see how you can use these coupons to work for you. Not only that, but when I went to Walmart, my story with the grocery coupon is my grocery came up to like $180, $190 or something like that. After I gave the coupons, when they rung everything up, ended up walking away paying $80 to $89. Saved over $100. I got a pedicure and a manicure that same day. Also going to give you a 8-day, 7-night trip, whether it's you and your wife or a few other people. 8-day, 7-night, taking care of the hotel accommodation. You just get there. This is as simple as it gets, people. We're giving you substance. We're making sure if you're investing $3,000, we want to make sure you're getting something for that. Okay? 3,000 leads, the marketing kit, the coaching, just simply call 832-906-6411. Leave your name, your number, the best time to call you back. Please speak clearly and slowly. Some of you calling, you're so excited, I barely can write the number down that you're saying. Okay, so help me to help you. Okay, and let me know what's the best time to call you back. All right, the grocery coupons. Look at all this you're getting. Now here's how you get started. Okay, right now this is what I call first movers advantage. Just finished this today. Okay, I'll give you till June the 15th. June the 15th for this special that I'm going to be offering you after I go through this. Okay, and I'm gonna show you. All right, 8-day, 7-night trip. All you do is send $3,000 cash and 5 books of stamps to Champion Discount, box 1. Okay, when someone gets started from your flyer, your name is going to go here in box number 2. When you send the money here, your name going to go in box number 2. Now let me explain this to you. Whenever this flyer is mailed, whoever name is in box number 2 is the person that sent that out. That's how I know who sent it out. Whoever name is in box number 2. So when someone gets started, they're going to send 3,005 books of stamps to box 1, 3,005 books of stamps to you. Now, this is where the residual income, what I spoke of earlier, the 3K and 5 books of stamps residual, this is where the residual income comes in, people, right here. When your name go to box number 3. This is where your residual income comes in. Because now your name is not just on your flyer, but someone else's flyer. That means you're in business for yourself, but you're not in business by yourself, people. That can help you get the 50 grand this year quicker. Okay? 5 people sending you $3,000 is $15,000. Plus 500 more stamps for you to resend that to. Simply fill out your information here. Look, if you want your phone number here, if you want your phone number, we can put your company name and phone number here. If you want it there, just simply let me know and we'll put it on there. Now, as a bonus for you getting started, you have till June 2021, and then this offer is going to come in off the table. What I'm also going to send to you is the Postcard Stamp Club. See, some of you are doing postcards too. Okay, so the Postcard Stamp Club. I'll be coming up with a postcard in the next few days, a week or so. I'll have a postcard. But look, you're also going to pick up another $50 cash one time. All right, and check this out. What they're going to send to you is $50 in 100 postcard stamps, $50 in 200 postcard stamps, $50 in 300 postcard stamps, or $50 in 400 postcard stamps, people. Don't you think you can really get a postcard business going? All they doing is filling their name and stuff out right here. Okay? Put their name and stuff here. Fill this out. Send it in to Champion Discount. Your name is going to go here, so they're going to send whatever they select here, $50 to you, and they're going to send it to the company. The other thing you're going to get is the Abundant Stamp Club, people. This is the one that you use for your flyers. Okay? This is for you that's sending out flyers and letters. Okay? One time $50, and guess what? Right here again, people. You're gonna get, they're gonna select whether they're gonna do 100 stamps, $50 in 200 stamps, $50 in 300 stamps, $50 in 400 stamps. Your name is gonna go here. Okay? When someone gets started right here, guess what? You get a residual income from them sending out their flyer of $50 in 100 stamps, $50 in 200 stamps, $50 in 300 stamps, or $50 in 400 stamps. You're going to need stamps, people. The more that they get started with, that's the more money you make. Now, let's go back here. Now, I want to make this clear. This is very important that you see this. My cash cow flyers are not like any of the other flyers you see out there, because what we're offering is much more, way much more. Okay, compare it. But have you noticed that everyone get $3,000 and 5 books of stamps? None of that nonsense with some of those programs where the company gets like 2,000 and then the person in box number 2 get 500 and then the person in box number 3 get 500. It doesn't make sense to me. This is a system God gave me to put together. Everyone doing the same work. Why can't you get paid the same? You see what I'm saying? This is what I'm talking about. Okay? So this is the Red Bull 3000. Okay? I hope you have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are. Go to www.cashcowprogram.com. That's www.cashcowprogram.com. Hey, subscribe to the channel. Okay? Give me a thumbs up. Okay, click on that notification bell so you get all my new updates, because I have some exciting things coming, people. Okay? Red Bull 3000, a $3,000 payday cash sent FedEx overnight to you, along with 5 books of stamps. You're going to get the Abundant Stamp Flyer Program. You're going to get the Postcard Stamp Club, which is the residual income of stamps, 100 to 400 stamps, and $50 each. It's time to do something different in your life. I don't know if this is one of the best opportunities of the lifetime, but it's one of them. So you have to take advantage of an opportunity of a lifetime before the lifetime of the opportunity expires. And the lifetime of this opportunity is going to be June 15th, 2021. So you have till now to June 15th, 2021 to do what you need to do for me to help you make some serious money. The goal is to get you to make at least $50,000 by the end of this year with this particular flyer and the marketing system that we have. Okay? No computer needed. No selling. All you're doing is mailing a simple flyer and using the resource in the marketing kit. Have a great day, evening, night, wherever time it is where you are. Go to cashcowprogram.com. That's cashcowprogram.com. Give me a call, 832-906-6411. I might even throw in another flyer. Have a great day, evening, night. God bless. Your thoughts determine what you want, but your action is going to determine what you get. Get that money, get those stamps.